Welcome back. Fallen FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried is back in New York for his bail hearing today. FTX received court approval to issue subpoenas to SBF and the family members as part of the crypto firm's investigation into, quote, misappropriated and stolen funds. Joining us right now is Ledn co-founder and chief strategy officer Mauricio Di Bartolomeo. Mauricio, great to have you this morning. Thanks very much for being here. Your reaction, what should we expect today?
Good morning, Maria. Great to see you again. I think people want answers. Obviously, the bankruptcy of FTX had a big impact in the industry, and I think, people want justice to be served. So understandably, I think, it's going to be a process that it may not be immediate, and there's some conflicting information from some of the members at FTX. So I think people just want to get to the bottom of it. But importantly, I think the industry is going to move away or move beyond this, because these products and these assets are helping people everywhere. The sentiment and the recent price action shows that. So yes, it's going to be something that may take some time, but I think the industry will move ahead from it.
Lou.
Mauricio, I want to ask you, Lou Bassany is here from Public Ventures. We are all about financing early stage innovative technologies. I know crypto fits into that, the way that solutions you're coming up with do too, but there's always that challenge of crossing the chasm, getting to enough market share and adoption. I look at crypto right now and see setbacks like the fraud at FTX, alleged fraud, and see that as an impediment to ever crossing that chasm. You look at Robinhood's latest trading data, and crypto trading just fell off the cliff. But from your view, you're closer to it than I am. What do you see that gives you confidence that we will eventually one day get to a point where people are, and Bitcoin are synonymous with everyday financial transactions? Do you think we get there?
Yeah, Lou, it's a great question. I think, the reality is that people, these products are solving problems for people all over the world. If you look at places like Nigeria, if you look at places of what's happening in Lebanon, people are coming into Bitcoin because it's solving problems for them. We at Ledn, for instance, you mentioned our products solve problems for everyday people. We saw our loan originations jump in January 2 times from what they were in December. And what I think is important to clear out here is that these were bad actors in an otherwise good industry and products that are solving problems for people. So I think we need to clarify that bad actors can appear in every industry. It's not just, and fraud can appear in every industry. It's not just a crypto-specific event. So I think, again, we're going to move again. The truth will come out, justice will be served, and we're going to move ahead from this as an industry, because I do think that this technology is helping people all over the world, and the proof is in the numbers.
Nancy?
Yeah, Mauricio, this is Nancy Tengler. I'm interested in your view on the AI war that we're now seeing between Microsoft and Google, and who do you think prevails and really runs with the most used system? I mean, I own both stocks in full disclosure, but at current levels, Google's looking very interesting to me to be adding to holdings. So what's your view about how we're going to end this?
I think what's most interesting to me about the recent debate that we're seeing around AI is how it has taken sort of a hold of the public opinion and narrative, and people seem to be very sort of excited about this technology. If you look at the reaction at Google stock just from a headline yesterday from their AI system and how much the stock reacted, I think it's showing that people are putting a lot of sort of emphasis in the future growth of these companies on their sort of AI bets. And I think, frankly, it's hard to kind of call a winner at this time, but both companies seem to be investing really, really hard in this tech and putting a lot of bet of their future growth on them.
All right, we will leave it there. Mauricio, great to see you this morning. Thanks very much.
Thanks, Maria.